Hey, how's it going? Today we're going to go over how to draw a mixture of Shin Godzilla and King Kong mixed as one character. So I'm going to stay right there and we'll go over it, okay? Let's do it. Okay, let's go over how to draw Shin Godzilla mixed with Sonic. Let's do it. So first thing I'm going to do here is I'm going to kind of go over here to the snout area and I'm going to put little bumps because Shin Godzilla is made up of little bumps, pretty much. Right, that's just something you got to remember. And then, so it's going to be a snout area. Up over here, kind of rolling up the top of the head over here. And we're going to go down the snout, and we're going to do the open mouth area. Again, like, so you got to remember the texture of Shin Godzilla is basically hamburger, right? Curve over here, and the bottom, like so. Got that hamburger head. Down over here, and I want to put like almost a Sonic-like eyeball. Oops, so the eyeball is going to be round. That shouldn't have the texture on it. But I want to increase the size of the eyeball immediately. Line over here, out, down. For the nose, instead of a nostril, we're going to have like the Sonic-like nose sticking out. And then we're going to fill it in. And then down here for the edge of that stuff. Pulling down, right, for the throat. And I want a Sonic-like eye, so kind of like a U shape right there, circle, and a pupil and iris in the middle there. Line, line. Okay, let's go into some of the most important parts here. We're going to go into the spikes of Sonic. Well, not yet. Let's go into the teeth of Shin Godzilla there. They're long. They are kind of separated out. So they look more like, I don't know, like angler teeth kind of thing. See, we're kind of pulling down right here. Like so. Line, line, line. Like so. And now we get the teeth in the mouth. And then we can kind of fill in the side over here. There we go. And then right here we want the bag of the eye. Just a bit. We're going to put a little bit of texture right there. We'll do more texture after this, but right now I want to go into the spike area. So I want the spikes to be made up of a lot of, see, they're going to curve them, but they're going to be made up of a lot of curvy, almost thorns in the back over here. Gonna keep going over here. Pulling down. And there's gonna be a spike along the chest. That's a very Shin Godzilla thing. Like a very that chest spike. Curve right here for the arm, for the deltoid. Line, line. And we're gonna keep going with these spikes. They're gonna curve down, right? Normally they wouldn't do that, but we're going to keep it going. It's going to keep it going. Maybe draw some behind others. And just kind of have them all over the place. Some little stray ones over here. There we go. So let's go around the face, and what we're going to do is we're going to look at this stuff and we're going to draw. So a big part of it is texture. So right now it looks too smooth. Go right here. Maybe draw a little curve for the cheekbone. Right here for the back of the jaw. Line, line. Line over here. Line above there. Maybe another kind of roughness right here. We're drawing these little half curves right here. Again, like hamburger face. And we draw a line down over here, the side, and a line down over here. It's going to be an open area, just like Godzilla, just like Shin Godzilla has. Right? Open area. The muscles kind of tangled down right there, down the neck. If you like this, please hit the like button. It absolutely helps out. I know some people think like, oh, it doesn't matter, but it really is huge if you can, you know. I understand if you can't. But yeah, curve, 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 and we're drawing these little half curves everywhere. Curve, 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 curve. Right there. Line over here. Line over here. Line, line. Line over here. And there we go. Kind of keep it, kind of take a look at it, and you have to kind of reevaluate every time we do it, because we're working with so many little spikes. And by the way, like I said, you just want the gist of it. If you're drawing along, you just want to, your spikes will be different than mine, right? They'll be like different order or something like that. Just kind of, just have the general flow of it, and then have the general ideas that there's like hamburger face here, right? And these little curves are all over the place. And I would say try to maybe put in a little bit of dark around the eye there and the mouth to kind of create some focus. But I kind of think he's cool, to be honest. Let me know, what would you name him? What would you name this guy? Dang, it's kind of gross looking. But yeah. So like you kind of keep going on with this forever with these little. But you want to make sure these are, try to make them thin, these texture points, because if you overdo it, it really doesn't work very well. If you overdo it, it might be, you know, it might overdo the drawing. It'll overwhelm it. But you want to pick the shots. So, anyways, that's pretty much it. Thank you so much. I want you to stay there. We're gonna draw another one together right now. So stay. I want you to stay right there. We're gonna do another drawing lesson together right now. So let's get started on it. Okay. Okay, so that was amazing. You finished this lesson, but keep it going. Keep the art practice going by clicking this video right here. It's going to be within the same theme, and you want to keep it rolling to get better and better and better and get that art flow going. So click right here.